In the quiet streets of New Yesterus in Tshwane, a desperate search has led to a yard where hope and heartbreak intersect. This is the story of 15-year-old Bophelo Nkuna, who vanished without a trace 3 years ago, and a traditional healer believes he has found a final resting place. On a Monday evening in March, Sangoma Laking Kutsweu walked the path from where his young cousin disappeared. The bones, he claims, led him directly to this house. Pointing to a yard where he believes Boipelo lies buried.
Umankhonyani lo wami wangithatha from ngabo Boipelo la beyahlala khona, and then ngayibuza ukuthi uBoipelo ukuphi, usaphila na? Yala yathi no, uBoipelo akasekho. Ngayibuza ukuthi uBoipelo ngamthola kuphi, yangikhomba ukuthi uBoipelo ngamthola this side. So ngaza nomama wakhe ngamthi ngayibuza ukuthi uBoipelo ukuphi, and then that's why it gave me i-direction yokuthi uBoipelo ukapha. Ngize lapha ngihamba ngezinyawo, ngiphethe wona lo mdala lo wami lo, ngibuza yena ukuthi umzimba kaBoipelo ngawuthola kuphi. So wangitshela ukuthi umzimba ungapha. No. If into le umdala lo wami lo aphethe into, ngeke athi into ila ingekho. If uBoipelo